Welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. Dean here with eXp Realty, and today I'm in the beautiful southwest Cape Coral area, the Rose Garden area, which is really deep south by the Westin Hotel, where you have a lot of different amenities here. Actually, if I turn this around, this is the house that I am giving you a tour of today. And if you're looking at the background, you can actually see where the Westin Hotel is, so you can literally walk there. And yes, that's a big attraction for this area. There's a lot of beautiful and awesome restaurants there, bars, massage parlors, retail stores, and just fun things to do. Um, First things first, let me give you a quick tour of this street. You got a new construction home over there. Across the street, you have golf access homes. These are all pretty much $1 million properties over here. You got some homes on the street that are worth a couple $1 million actually. Really well established neighborhood. I love the big palms. So this is the property. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just under 2,100 square feet. It sits on an oversized lot, and there's only a handful of properties on this in this neighborhood that sit on they have a pond in the back, and this happens to be one of them. So I think you will really like a lot that this property has to feature. It does have the shutters. It's the electronic ones. They just kind of scroll down when you do have any hurricanes coming. It's an easy way to secure the property. The rest of the windows, you have the shutters you have to put up, and they come with the house, of course. The roof is fairly new on the property. It was also repainted last year. Beautiful landscaping. So let's head inside and give you a full tour of this property. This home was built in 1998. Nice, beautiful entryway here. All right. So one of the things that I really like about these, we call them older homes here. If it's not a year or two new, it's considered older. But it's these attention to details that they add with these pillars. You don't see these pillars anymore, period, in a lot of the new construction because they're so modern. But you can see the details in this property with the way the ceiling is. So this would be like your sitting area, could be like your family room. This nice window up front with a lot of natural light. And then across over here would be your dining room. And then we have your living room. Again, look at the little details, the little arch there. All right, so on this section of the house, this is where you have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. This is your first bedroom. You got a closet in here. It's a good sized closet. Kind of blocked by this chair, so I'm not going to move that. Then here's your view out this window. Your second bedroom. Here's your full bath. There's a little closet back here.
those towels. Your third bedroom. This one's being used as a home office. Good sized room. And then this is the view from here into the backyard. All right. And look at that. I got one of those at home on my wall. Got sliding doors right here. And you get a lot of natural light in this house because of the big windows and sliders. Countertop to the kitchen area. So you have another sitting area over here overlooking the pool. In addition to the dining room that we've already seen. Got these beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Look at that arch. Just don't see that anymore. I like that. Here's your pantry. Good sized pantry. Nope, the food's not included. That door leads out to the garage. That's a 2-car garage. Here's your laundry room. Got this tile flooring throughout the whole house. This will be your master. That's a king-size bed. As you can see, you have plenty of room. And then, of course, you have the sliding door leading out to the pool from the master. And see how the ceiling kind of goes down. It's not flat. I like that. It's a nice feature. You don't see that too often. Got a full-size bath over here. Large tub. Dual sinks. And a nice, very organized closet. For the right price, the seller will also organize your closet. Don't tell her I said that. All right, then you got your private bath, private toilet here. And you got a little storage area here as well for more towels. You can never have enough storage down here. All right. Always save the best for last. You guys know already if you watch my videos, the lanai is always my favorite part of the house. If you live in Florida and you don't have a pool in your backyard, I think you're really missing out. Got this beautiful section that's always covered. You got a lot of shade here. Very comfortable to sit out here. Have your coffee first thing in the morning, and your second cup in the afternoon, and your third cup with the Jameson for dinner. Whatever you prefer, your choice. And then it's got these electronic shutters. Again, this is really awesome. If there's a hurricane coming or something like that, take all your stuff, put it in here, close it up, and you're all set. Nice pool. And then notice the screen enclosure. It's got this picture, large picture with a screen. There's 1, 2 right there. Actually a third one. So it really doesn't skew your view of this beautiful pond in the backyard. And you have another sitting area over here, a lounging area over there. All right, let's head out over here, give you a better view of this backyard. Here's the side of the house. Beautiful palm trees everywhere. So peaceful back here. Every other home here that's on water like this is Gulf access.
So as you can see, there's not many homes, but on this pond, but I mean, look how it's almost crystal clear. All right, that's it for this home. Again, this home is located in the Rose Garden area here in the southwest Cape Coral. Beautiful area. I encourage you, if you're ever in Cape Coral, to come down here and drive through it. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by what you find. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this property or any other real estate here in Cape Coral, get a hold of me. Have a great day.